Welcome to the art of molecules, exploring the elements. Chemistry is the science that brings the world around us to life. It's the study of matter, its properties, and the changes it undergoes. Chemistry is everywhere, from the air we breathe to the food we eat. Let's dive in and explore the wonders of chemistry. First, let's talk about elements. Elements are the building blocks of matter, and there are over 100 known elements. Each element is represented by a unique symbol, like H for hydrogen and O for oxygen. These symbols help chemists communicate and understand the properties of each element. Next, let's explore the periodic table. The periodic table is like a treasure map for chemists. It organizes all the elements based on similar properties and patterns. From the reactive metals on the left to the noble gases on the right, the periodic table is a beautiful arrangement of elements waiting to be discovered. Chemical reactions are another exciting aspect of chemistry. When elements combine or break apart, new substances are formed. These reactions can be explosive, colorful, or even life-saving. From rusting iron to the fire that fuels our cars, chemical reactions are all around us. Understanding chemistry allows us to design new materials and create innovative technologies. It helps us develop medicines that save lives and create safer, more sustainable products. Chemistry truly is the art of molecules, shaping the world we live in. So, next time you see a flame flicker or smell a unique scent, remember that chemistry is at work. The art of molecules is an endless journey of exploration and discovery. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content.